What's the meaning of baby blues? Baby blues. Baby blues.
Baby blues. Baby blues. The term baby blues is commonly used to refer to a mild form of postpartum depression that affects new mothers. It typically occurs in the first 2 weeks after giving birth and is characterized by mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. The exact cause of baby blues is unknown, but hormonal changes and the stress of caring for a newborn are believed to contribute to its development. Fortunately, most women recover from this condition within a few days or weeks without any intervention. However, if symptoms persist or become severe, professional help should be sought.